Hello friends, so in this video we are going to be taking a look at on how to enable vulnerability detection on Linux systems that are registered with your Wazoo manager. So first, what you need to do, first of all, you need to register all your Linux boxes with the Wazoo manager. And once you have done registering all your Linux system on the Wazoo manager, what you need to do is go to management on the Kibana interface and go to configuration, and over here you will see all the configuration that is related to Wazoo manager. So over here you will see system threats and response. First you need to check if the vulnerability detection is enabled on your Wazoo manager. By default it is not enabled, so you need to manually enable that. So just click on vulnerabilities and it will show that if they are enabled or not. So in my case I have already enabled the vulnerability detection, and just to show you how you can do that, just click on go back to configuration and click on edit configuration and just to scroll till you see vulnerabilities section over here. So as you can see there, here is the vulnerability section. So what you need to do is over here, just it will say no over here, enabled no, just change it to yes, and then what you need to do is enable all the uh, vulnerability package repositories that contain all the vulnerabilities that are released for all Linux systems. So what you need to do is enable all those providers too. So just over here where it says enabled no, just change it to yes, and it will get all the release CVEs related to all these Ubuntu versions. And for Debian, just we are going to also enable Debian. And for if you are running CentOS or any other uh, distribution that is related to Red Hat, so like Fedora, so you just need to enable that too, and click on save. And once you are done with the saving, it will ask you to restart the Wazoo manager so that this configuration can take effect. So just click on restart manager and click on confirm, and now it is restarting the Wazoo manager on the server, and you will see a little message over here that please wait, manager is restarting. So once the has restarted, it will automatically go to all the repositories that are containing all the CVEs released for those Linux distributions and fetch all the vulnerabilities related to all the packages that are installed on your Linux box, and will automatically start scanning those packages. And after the scan is finished, you will see all the vulnerabilities related to that system on the agent section. Just go to agents and then click on the Linux agent you want to check the vulnerabilities on. So as you can see over here, I have only one Linux box, so just click on that, and in the vulnerabilities section it will start showing you all the vulnerabilities that it detects. So when you first enable the vulnerability detection section, it is going to take some time to download all the necessary files that are required for the vulnerability scan to proceed. So once that has done, it will automatically start scanning the system. So I am going to pause the video and we will be back when the setup process is finished. So once all the information is synced between the server and the vulnerability CVEs from the repositories, the following information will show to you on your vulnerability section, like all the CVEs that are that this machine is vulnerable for, and you can check more information related to those CVEs on the cve.metric.org website. So if you open that link, which is given as a reference to that CVE, you can just go to that link and check what the CVE describes, and which application or which package is vulnerable to that CVE, and then you can remediate those vulnerabilities by updating those packages on the system. So this is how vulnerability detection works on Wazoo. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, do subscribe and share. And if you have any questions, do comment down below, and do press the bell icon to get the latest updates from our channel. And thanks for watching.